Hey guys, welcome to your first video about operators. In Python, you can perform all types of operations. In this video, you're going to learn about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are operators you use on numbers to perform simple operations, such as multiplication and addition. The basic arithmetic operators are the plus sign for addition, the minus sign for subtraction, an asterisk for multiplication, a forward slash for division, and a percentage sign for the modulus operator. The modulus operator returns the remainder of a division. For example, 7 mod 2 would be 1, because when you divide 7 by 2, the remainder is 1. You can carry out arithmetic operators on all numbers, including those stored in variables. Here are some examples. If I write print 6 times 4 and run the code, it returns the product of 6 and 4, which is 24. This works the same way for all other operators. Another example is, let's say I create 3 variables with numbers stored in them. num1 is equal to 4, num2 is equal to 88, and num3 is equal to 9. If I want to get the sum of these 3 numbers, I can write print num1 plus num2 plus num3. And when I run the code, it returns 101, which is the sum of all the numbers stored in those respective variables. Go ahead and use arithmetic operators on numbers yourself and play around with them to get a better understanding of the concept.